Hi there, I'm going to show you how easy it is to security fix a picture to the wall. The first thing to do is to place two spring locks, one either side of the frame, accurately about a third of the way down. Drill. Job done. So how did we make that happen? Let me show you. The spring lock is a two-part component of a bridge bracket and a spring insert. The wall screw goes into the bridge and the spring insert locks it to the wall. Final adjustment of levelling the picture can easily be done by moving the slots up or down on the frame. Once locked on the wall, release can only be made by our special release tool. The other way of using spring lock is to use these little fellows, top slot hanging brackets, in replacement of a spring lock. Turn the picture over and fit your top slots to the top of the frame. Turn the frame round and fit the spring lock at the bottom. Sometimes, if this was a bigger frame, I would use two spring locks, one in each corner. Particularly useful for fixing canvases which can distort. And now, with the top slot hanging brackets in place at the top of your frame, mark your screw positions and insert, drop your hanging brackets onto those screws. At this point it's wise to check the level. If it's not level, there are slots in these brackets by means that the bracket can slide up and down. The marker tool has a stud one side and a point the other. The stud positions itself into the hole of the bridge bracket. Mark the wall. Remove your picture, put the third screw in and lock on the wall. It's as simple as that.